Here's a question that might keep you up tonight. Two people both invest in the stock market. Person A invests $200 per month starting at age 25. Person B invests $400 per month, double the amount, but starts at age 35. Who ends up with more money at 65? If you said person B, the one investing double, you'd be wrong. Dead wrong. Person A, who started 10 years earlier but invested half as much, ends up with over $300,000 more. How is that even possible? 3 words: compound interest. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. He said, "He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it." By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why, and more importantly, you'll know exactly how to use it to build serious wealth. Let's start with the absolute basics. Simple interest means you earn interest only on your original investment. Compound interest means you earn interest on your interest. That tiny difference creates an absolutely massive gap over time. Let me give you the simplest example possible. You invest $1,000 and earn 10% per year. With simple interest, year 1, you earn $100. Year 2, you earn another $100. Year 3, another $100. After 10 years, you have $2,000. With compound interest, year 1, you earn $100, same as before. But year 2, you earn 10% on $1,100, that's $110. Year 3, 10% on $1,210, that's $121. See how it's accelerating? After 10 years with compound interest, you don't have $2,000. You have $2,593. That's almost $600 more from the exact same investment. Now, $600 might not sound life-changing. But here's where it gets insane. Compound interest doesn't just grow. It accelerates. The longer you let it run, the faster it grows. This creates what's called an exponential curve. Let me show you what this looks like with real numbers. If you invest $1,000 at 10% annual returns and never add another penny, after 10 years, $2,593. Not bad. After 20 years, $6,727. Getting interesting. After 30 years, $17,449. Whoa! After 40 years, $45,259. From a single $1,000 investment. Your money doubled 5 times. But notice the pattern. It took over 7 years to go from 1,000 to 2,000. But it only took about 4 years to go from 20,000 to 45,000. The bigger your balance gets, the faster it grows. That's the magic of compounding. Now imagine you're not just investing a one-time lump sum. Imagine you're adding money every single month. That's where things get truly ridiculous. Let's run through 3 realistic scenarios. We'll assume 10% average annual returns, which is the historical average of the S&P 500 over the last 50 years. Scenario 1, you invest $100 per month starting at age 25. At age 35, about $20,000. At age 45, about $76,000. At age 55, $227,000. At age 65, $632,000. From just $100 a month. Scenario 2, you invest $300 per month. At age 65, $1,897,000. You're a millionaire almost twice over. $300 a month. The cost of a car payment. Scenario 3, you invest $500 per month. At age 65, $3,162,000. You could retire wealthy and never worry about money again. Let that sink in. $500 per month turns into over $3 million. That's not investing genius. That's not stock picking. That's just compound interest plus time plus consistency. There's a beautiful shortcut that makes compound interest easy to calculate in your head. It's called the Rule of 72. Take the number 72 and divide it by your annual return rate. The result tells you how many years it takes to double your money. At 10% returns, 72 divided by 10 equals 7.2 years to double. At 7%, about 10.3 years to double. At 12%, 6 years to double. So if you invest $10,000 at 10%, after about 7 years you'll have $20,000. After 14 years, $40,000. After 21 years, $80,000. After 28 years, $160,000. 4 doubles in 28 years. This is the single most useful financial formula you'll ever learn. Remember the question from the beginning of this video? Let me now give you the full answer, because it illustrates the most important lesson about compound interest. Person A invests $200 per month from age 25 to 65. That's 40 years of investing. Total money invested, $96,000. Final balance, approximately $1,264,000. Person B invests $400 per month, double the amount, but starts at 35. That's 30 years of investing. Total money invested, $144,000. More money invested. Final balance, approximately $789,000. Person A invested $48,000 less and ended up with $475,000 more. That 10-year head start was worth more than doubling the monthly investment. This is why every single day you wait costs you money. So here's your action plan. And I want you to do this today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Step 1. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. It takes 10 minutes and it's free. Step 2. Set up an automatic monthly investment into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. Start with whatever you can afford. Even $50. Even $25. The amount matters less than the habit. Step 3. Never stop. Don't try to time the market. Don't panic when it drops. Don't check it every day. Just let compound interest do its thing. The math is on your side. Time is on your side. The only thing working against you is waiting. If this video opened your eyes about compound interest, hit subscribe. I break down wealth building concepts like this every single week. Drop a comment and tell me, how much are you going to start investing per month? I'll see you in the next one.